illusion. You think it's okay,
Changing the rules, I'm playing the game. And taking much longer, and I think I'm not the same.
Such confusing, don't it make you wanna scream? You're retribution, victimizing in the scheme. Hey.
You're finding pleasure every night and every night. Somebody please just help me. I just can't take it.
Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Make me want to scream. Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Make me want to scream.
I can't believe what I saw as the turn of the TV. Deceiving, I was disgusted by all the injustice.
Such confusion, don't it make you wanna scream?
You wanna scream.
Retribution, victimizing in the scheme.
You try to cope with every night is scrutinized. Oh, brother, please just help me, 'cause I just
can't take it. Come on. Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Make me want to scream. Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Make me want to scream. Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Make me want to scream. Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Make me want to scream.
Oh, yes, definitely that was totally fab. Janet and Michael. Elvis, how are you?
Thank you very much.
What can you say, Elvis?
Thank you very much.
Is that all you can say, Elvis?
Yeah, thank you very much.
My goodness. Anyway, we've got here a lot of people. We've got the village people here, and of course my other boy George. We've
I
got
think that's Madonna.
Madonna and
Cher.
Cher. Yes.
There's an OFW here.
Yeah, from Saudi Arabia.
Construction worker.
That's right. Hernan Segovia is in the house and family. Hello. So, what can you say, Mr. Elvis,
What?
about Janet? No, don't say that on telly. What can you say about Janet?
I didn't understand you, I'm sorry. Oh, excuse me.
I'm sorry. Ano sabi mo?
Excuse me. Before.
Did you pop it? What?
Since then.
Tama na, mahirap. Thank you very much kana Janet and Michael kanina.
That's right.
Sina Janet Bordon at Michael De Mesa.
Janet Bordon. My goodness. That's so...
Pupunta naman tayo sa Neverland.
Neverland, yes.
Hindi yun sa hindi yun Neverland ni Michael Jackson. Hindi
saan
yung
ba?
farm. Sarado na yun eh.
Saan Neverland
Na-foreclosed na yun
ito?
eh. Pupunta tayo sa Neverland.
Oh, Neverland?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, Peter Pan.
Yes.
Oh, right.
Tama ka dyan. Let's fly to Neverland together with Jeffrey Hidalgo and Cheryl Cruz.
And you know, kasama nila, Jolina and Gerald. This is SOPs again.
Thank you very much.
Let's listen to these. Fabulous, totally.
I'd like to see that smile again. I'd like to hear that voice again. The one that made me feel this way. The one that always made my day.
I wish to sing that song again, to feel the love all over again, the one that brought
kaya nangangamba sa tuwing ika'y nakikita? Sana na may magpakilala. Ilang ulit ang ikabangga at ang dalang pinulot kita at pa rin napakilala. Bawat araw sinusundan, di ka naman tumitingin. Anong aking dapat gawin? Kailan ang hapusin ang pusong bitin na bitin? Kahit anong gawin lamig, di mo pa rin pansin.
Hirap ako sa paghuli ng iyong pansin. Kapag nasasalubong ka, hindi ka kaba-kaba, pati ang tuhod ko'y nalalambot na rin. Hayan na nga, sumulyap na ang mapungayong mata. Kasalanan ko ba ang mahalala? Mr. Dream Boy, Mr. Dream Boy, ano kaya ang nasa isip mo? Mr. Dream Boy, Mr. Dream Boy, lagi ka nasa panaginip ko. Sana'y masabi ko sa'yo ang nakatabi ko. Ikaw ang tanging dream boy ko.
Puso mo'y maghahanap, muli at muli ka magmamahal.